Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we start the first tutorial about protection and security, and today we'll talk about how to know who is stealing your wireless. So to start, we go to this website Microsoft.net. So we scroll down and we go to Wireless Network Watcher. Okay, we scroll down and we go to Download Wireless Network Watcher with full install support. So as you see, the program is less than 300 kilobytes. So we download and we open. So next, and finish. So now this is our program. As you can see, this is my IP address for my PC, and this is my PC name and MAC address and many other details. So in case you are using a router, you should find a router IP address right here, but I'm using a 3G connection, so I just have my own IP address. So to turn the program on, we click here, and as you can see, the program is scanning for any other connection. Okay, now he finished scanning and he found no other device connected. So now I will connect using my mobile phone through the wireless, and let's see the result. Okay, let's scan again, and as you can see, this is my phone IP and this is Nokia and many other details. And one last thing, go to option and beep on new device, so the program alerts you for every new device connected. And we can go to option and put icon on tray, so the program appears here and always keeps working. That's all for today. Hope the tutorial was useful for you. Don't forget to share this video and comment, tell you what you think about my tutorials. Until next video, goodbye.